Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So I'm going to get right to materials. You should get your pieces of paper. At the top, you're going to write Tuesday. Then you're going to write your name. And the date, it says 4/7/20. And if you already have your work printed out, you can just skip this step and go to straight number 1. I'm actually just going to finish this for people who don't have their papers printed. Okay. So then you're going to write number 1. You're going to put a line in the middle and put number 2. Then on the back of this paper, you're going to write 3, a line in the middle, and 4. Then on the next piece of paper, you're writing exit ticket at the top because you're going to complete an exit ticket once you finish your 4 questions. I'm actually going to show what the exit ticket looks like at the end of this video, and that is what you're going to be posting on Seesaw. So you're only posting your exit ticket on Seesaw. You are not posting these questions. However, you still need to complete these questions so that we can talk about it during conferences. Okay. Let's get ready for number 1. Okay, so for number 1, all you're doing is you're drawing the box and then you're writing answer with a line, and you're not writing the problem out because that would take too long. So just the box and the answer. All right, so I'm going to get ready and read number 1. Billy had some stickers. He bought 57 stickers. Now he has 87 stickers. How many stickers did Billy have in the beginning? Write a number sentence to match the story. First thing we're going to do is put a box up here so we can write our number sentence. I want you to take a moment to read each sentence one at a time and plug in your number sentence and making sure it goes in order. Okay, so it says Billy had some stickers. We don't have a number there. We don't know how many stickers he had in the beginning, so we're going to put a question mark. Then it says he bought 57 stickers. If you're buying 57 stickers, that means you're getting more of them. So we're going to put plus 57. Then it says now he has 87 stickers. So we're going to put an equal sign and put 87. Now you can label your total and your parts. So you can see that we actually have a part that's missing. And right now you can do a strategy to solve this problem. If you have extra time, you can definitely do another strategy because that would be super cool. Okay, so I'm going to start with my part. And I'm going to count up and stop when I get to my total. So I'm going to do some 10 sticks. Let's see. 57. If I do another 10 stick, I'll get to 67. So I can do another one. I'll get to 77. And actually, if I do one more 10 stick, I'll get to 87. All right. So now that I have that, I'm going to count how much I drew to figure out my missing part. So I drew 10, 20, and 30. So now I'm going to write a number sentence to match my work. You can do that as well if you didn't do it already. So 57 plus 30 equals 87. This was our missing part. And then this was our total. Now you can take the time to answer this question. How many stickers did Billy have in the beginning? All right, so Billy had 30 stickers in the beginning. All right, so for number 2, at the top you're going to write add 5 hops to 398. I'll read that again. So it says add 5 hops to 398. That's all you have to write. My directions are a little bit longer, but I wanted to give you a shorter sentence to write. Then you're going to draw a number line, and there will be 10 dashes on the number line. 10 of them. When you're done drawing your number line, then you're going to write 398. Starting from this side, you're going to write it on the second dash right here, 398. If you need a little bit more time, you can pause the video or you can look at my chart. All right. I'm going to read my directions. Add 5 more hops to the number 398. Write the number that you land on. Okay, so 398 is here. You have to make the 5 hops, and I suggest that you label each dash until you get to 5 hops. Okay, so you can try that now. Okay. I'm actually going to make my 5 hops first, and then I'm going to label everything until I get to my last hop. So starting at this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I stopped there. Let me make sure I made 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I'm going to label everything. 398, 399, 400, 401, 402, and 403. So hopefully you got that answer for your last hop. And now it's time for our dance break. All right, so let's go on to number 3. So for number 3 at the top, you're going to write solve and draw bar model. So I made this short, so it's not exactly the same, but it's just made it a little bit shorter. And then for your problem, you're going to write 6 plus triangle equals 38. So make sure at the top you write solve and draw bar model, and then you write the problem. You can look at my chart paper if you need extra time. Okay. Oh. All right, so solve for the missing value, then draw a bar model to match your work. First thing you should do is write your total and your parts. So your parts are right here, and this is your total. So we are missing a part. Right now you're going to solve for your missing part. All right, I'm going to start with my part and stop when I get to 38. So I'm going to use some 10 sticks. So I'm going to add 1 10 stick here. And 10 plus 6 is 16. And let's see, can I add another 10 stick? Okay, so if I add another 10 stick, I'll get to 26. So yeah, that'll work. Let's see if I can add another one. Another 10 stick will get me to 36. So I'm not passing that yet, so that would work. Now I can't add another 10 stick because that would get me to 46 and that would pass my total. So now I'm going to have to switch to ones. So 36, 37, and 38. This is where I stop. Okay, so this is my missing part. Now I'm going to count what I just drew. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so 32 was our missing part. All right, now I'm going to just write a number sentence to match this work. So it's 6 plus 32 equals 38. I'm going to box this because that was my missing part. And now we need to draw a bar model. So take some time to draw your bar model. Okay, so I'm going to draw my rectangle. And remember, we want to give the bigger piece to the bigger number. So for my parts, 32 is the bigger part. So it's going to take most of that up. And then 6 is my other part. And then my total is 38. So I'm going to draw that arrow and put 38 at the top. All right, now we're going to go on to our last question. Okay. So at the top, you're going to write digit 6 in 562 because you're going to draw what the digit 6 would look like in 562. After you write this, you're going to write the value on the bottom and you're going to draw a line because you're going to tell me what the digit 6, what value that is. Okay. Number 4, it says, what is the value of the digit 6 in the number 562? Draw a picture to represent the digit. So we're only focusing on this digit. So you're going to take some time to draw a picture for that digit. All right, so I'm going to do 6 tens because this is in the tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to label it and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So the digit 6 in this number, the value is 60. On the screen right now, I'm going to show you the exit ticket that you're going to do. And when you're finished, you're going to upload a picture of your exit ticket to Seesaw. If you need more time to write the problem out, you can pause the video. Again, you don't have to write the whole problem. You can do a box or the answer with the line. If you want to write the whole problem, that's okay too. Okay, so when you finish solving the exit ticket, you're going to take a picture and you're going to add assignment to math on Seesaw, and that's what's going to be on there. So you are not uploading any of the work that we did from our chart paper. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. If you have any questions, don't forget to reach out to me. All right, guys, bye.